Thank you so much, thank you so much, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Luke Rides is back, and what you're going to learn here today is how do you remove the factory front sprocket cover for your ZX10R SuperBike 2015, 4th generation. Let's hit it.
It's showtime!
This Kawasaki is a ZX10R SuperBike. So being a race bike, pretty straightforward. And we have extension. Why extension? Because one, we've got to get into these two bolts here, and we need the space to make sure we do not bump into the SuperBike fairing here. So extension. So what you're going to do is you're going to crack off the bolt here, a bolt here, and a bolt here. Two at the bottom, one at the top. Being a Kawasaki race bike, front sprocket is instantly accessible. Make sure your ratchet is in the undo position. Okay. What you should always do is start from the top bolt, and make sure you can crack off the other two. Fairly tight. However, this probably has never come off the SuperBike before. Now they're free. So what we can do is actually go to a socket attachment.
Cool.
We're not overly tight by Kawasaki. Let's see if these bolts are all the same length. We're also looking for if Kawasaki themselves have used Loctite. The rule is, if you don't see any Loctite, don't apply it on the bolt. Because if the manufacturer hasn't, you shouldn't. But if the manufacturer has used Loctite, use Loctite. Do what the manufacturer did. So that's come off quite nicely. Now we're just working on the last two at the bottom. We're about to see the front sprocket of the ZX10R SuperBike. So from what I can see, the bolts are exactly the same, which is very Kawasaki. Very Kawasaki, very perfect. Luke Rice doesn't know what to do, he's thinking about a Z900 RS. It's tricky. This one's a little bit not as easy to get to. So, keep attacking it. It will come away. There you go. Aluminium. And here comes front sprocket cover. Whoa. Feel the weight. So this is plastic, heavy duty, and you can feel the weight difference. Holy crap, that's well heavy. Wow, look at that. It's even got a remember not to lose that. The front sprocket cover has actually got a shield over it. So why did Kawasaki do that? Mostly to either stop grime or dirt getting into the front sprocket and sound deadening. Thanks for watching, and pretty straightforward to remove it too. It's interesting seeing that there's a metal piece between the Superbike gearbox, and the cover is like a guard against rain, debris, dirt, predators. And everything got controlled anyway from Sprocket. Thanks for watching.
The little rascal has spirit. That's awesome.
This is the end of the trail for me.
Thank you.
Thank you, kid.